Welcome to Parkview Drive North in Charvil, where today I would like to offer you a closer look into this 4-bed detached family home which is available to view now. This well-presented property offers to the ground floor an entrance hallway, to the left of which we have a kitchen breakfast room with access to the utility space. We then have a dining room with sliding doors onto the rear garden and a downstairs cloakroom. Whilst to the opposite side of the property, we have a spacious bay-fronted living room with a study to the back. The first floor hosts all 4 bedrooms where the master benefits from a newly refurbished ensuite shower room, and you also have a large 4-piece family bathroom suite. The appeal of the property continues externally, where to the rear we have a large garden with an outdoor patio area, and to the front of the property we have driveway parking enough for 2 cars and a detached garage. I would highly recommend an in-person viewing of this lovely family home, so if you are interested, please get in contact on the details to follow. Thank you.